Hello friends, welcome back once again. Today I will show how to install Eclipse in your local machine. Go to the browser, type Eclipse download. After that click on first link. Then click on 2023-06. Click on download. After that it's taking to your local file system. Then open with folder. Double click on the installation, that execution. After that select second one, IntelliJ IDE for Enterprise Java with web application. Click on install. Later default it will ask where the project has to be saved. Then close this window. Go to the file system. Close all the tab first. Go to files, others, select Java, type it Java project, click on next. Write its project name. I will type as hello world. Click on finish. Click on project, open project, new project in class. In the class only we can create the package. Package name I will type it as com.tech.hellohort. Project name first Java program. Click on finish. Delete that module.info. Delete it. Okay. Then this is our first boilerplate code. Then first we will start with the execution. System.out.println. Type hello Java. Right click, save the file. Right click, run as Java application. This is how you first program is executed successfully. Then the next will be the main method explanation in the next video. Thank you for watching. Love you all.